Hi, Norman Hallett here with your next 4-minute drill for traders. This week, I'm going to field another question from our blog, thedisciplinedtraderblog.com, where I welcome your suggestions on what you'd like to see me cover in these 4-minute drills. Well, the question was asked by Wright Smith, and that's a good positive name, incidentally, Wright. So kudos to your parents. And Wright, make room in your closet for one of our stylish The Disciplined Trader hats, which we'll be sending your way for asking the question. Okay, to your question. You asked, my interest is mainly in stocks and stock options, and in this area, the market hasn't been going anywhere recently. No trends, no nothing. I'm not a day trader, so I've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for something to happen. I'm getting more and more anxious, thinking I'll never read a new trend developing. How can I get a leg up? I don't think my indicators are serving me well, or I'm applying the wrong system to the market. Well, you certainly have issues, Wright Smith, but hey, don't we all? The good news is that I've got some answers for you. It seems that the bottom line is you're not getting enough action, enough trading opportunities. And the root of the issue is that you don't seem to be trading a system that fits you as a person. You see, this is important. You see, what happens when there is a mismatch between your system's style and your style is you start blaming the system for the uncomfort, for the imbalance. You even said, my indicators are not serving me well. Plus you said, am I applying the wrong system to the wrong market? I'm not sure about that, but I am pretty sure that you're applying the wrong system to the wrong trader, you. I'm assuming in this discussion, of course, that you have a strict written plan, that you've back-tested, forward-tested, and you're confident that the system will make you money over time if followed. Now that you're following it, you're not happy because it's not giving you what you want, more trading opportunities in a sideways market. Here's my advice, Wright, and I'll ask all of you to heed this. When you build a trading system, the first thing you have to do is to analyze you. You need to ask yourself questions like, am I a day trader or a position trader, or am I a scalper? Am I an impatient person by nature and need a system that gives me some action? Am I a patient person who thrives on waiting for everything to set up and then I pounce on it with confidence? Am I that kind of trader? What indicators do I really believe in and trust from a deep, deep inside me type of a level? And what hours of the day or days of the week do I want to dedicate to trading? These kinds of questions will help you define the right system for you. Why do you think it is that a guy down the street can be doing very well, making a bunch of money, trading his system, and then when he explains it to you and you start trading it, you don't get the same result? The reason is that it is not a good fit for you. And when a system is not a good fit, you'll doubt the signals it gives, you'll hesitate all along the line on your exits and entrances. You need to build a system from scratch that is right for you, then back test it, then test it with the minimum amount of exposure to run the system in real time, and then, if it proves out, trade with confidence because you have a trading plan that fits you right. The wise and disciplined trader. So get on it, right? Ask yourself the personal questions and go ahead and build a trading plan that is right for you. You can do this, right? And when you do, you will be well rewarded. Okay, that's it for this week's 4-minute drill. Next week, I'll be taking a question from the blog again, from a guy named Mark, a fellow trader who doesn't believe he's respecting his money, which is a very common affliction and which I'll help you correct in the next drill. So until next week, stay disciplined.